you do a search for the 10 best Bible study software packages, you will be flooded with choices. Some of them are better than others. Most of them have free versions, so you can try before you buy. On the other hand, if you're looking for something that might be used by pastors or someone in seminary, then programs like Logos or Accordance are both good choices. I've been using Logos since 2012. I love it, and in my opinion, it is the Cadillac of Bible study software, and many online reviews praise it as well. It's pricey, but it will turn you into a Bible study maniac. Logos is widely used by pastors, seminary students, and ministry leaders. It offers a massive library of commentaries, dictionaries, and theological resources. Accordance Bible Study Software is another powerful Bible study program designed to help users study Scripture in depth. This software also is widely used by pastors and students for serious Bible study and research. The English Discovery package is comparable to the Logos Pro package.